In this video, I will show you how to delete a Spotify account. Whether you are using a computer or your phone, the process remains the same. Since we cannot delete accounts directly from the Spotify app, start by closing the app and opening a web browser. You can use any browser. For instance, I will use Safari on my phone. Once in the browser, tap on the URL bar and navigate to spotify.com. Type in the URL and hit go. You will land on the Spotify website, possibly on the web player page. That is okay and we can still proceed. Sign in to the Spotify account you wish to delete. After logging in, you might still be on the player page, but that is fine. Simply navigate to the top right corner and tap on the gear icon. Select View Account. Now you will see information about your Spotify account. Tap on the three bars once more and select Support. Next, tap on Search and type in Delete or Close Account. Then select the relevant option from the search results. You will find instructions for closing your account depending on whether you have Spotify Premium or not. Choose the appropriate link and proceed. Read through the information provided, especially regarding your playlists and data. If you don't have Premium, tap on Close Your Account and delete your data. Confirm the action and be sure to check your email for further instructions. Follow the link provided in the email to finalize the account closure. Once completed, your account will be closed. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.